All right, on this one, we're looking at Tyler, and he's got some green and yellow thread, and he's using to sew pillows. The direction for the pillows state that the green thread is 8 inches less than the yellow thread. Just write the numbers in the blanks, except for number 3, and you'll write a little expression there. All right, so he's got green and yellow thread. So I'm going to write a big G for green and a Y for yellow, and we're going to just look at a little T-chart to see what happens. So we know that whatever the green thread is 8 inches less than the yellow thread. So the yellow thread is going to be longer and the green thread is going to be shorter because it's 8 inches less than the yellow. So if the green is 11 and it's smaller than the yellow, then I'm going to have to add 8 to it, and that yellow will be 19 inches long. So if the green is 26 inches long, how long is the yellow thread? Well, I'm going to add 8 to it. So plus 8 would be 34. So 34 inches long. And if the green thread were X inches long, how long is the yellow thread? Well, what are we doing every time? Every single time we are adding 8, adding 8, adding 8. So this one will be X plus 8. That is your little expression you're going to write in, X plus 8. Now on this one, the yellow thread is 13 inches long. And we want to find out how long the green ribbon is. Well, in this case, we're actually going to subtract 8. So we know the green ribbon will be 5.